Today, I would like to talk to you about garage door rollers. Let's look at what garage door rollers do. Your garage door rollers are super important when it comes to the functionality of your door system. Your garage door rollers allow the door to travel through the path of the track while holding the door sections in the opening. That way, whether the door is in motion or in an open or closed position, it is positioned properly. As you can imagine, functional, undamaged, and well-maintained rollers are essential to a dependable and smooth operating door system. Over our 30+ years in the door business, American Garage Door Supply has found that worn, damaged, or malfunctioning rollers are among the top things that cause poor door performance, safety concerns, and subject you to additional risk of damage from door malfunction. Through exposure and use, bearings clog up with dirt, contamination, they rust, freeze up, or just fall apart from repetitive use. Here's an old roller that came off a door that was still in pretty good shape. The door itself had a lot of life left in it, but the rollers just weren't up to the task and needed replacement. Now, I'm sure you all agree, this roller would cause big trouble on any door and your door wouldn't last very long. You definitely do not want this on your doors. As you can see, it doesn't really roll, it's definitely ready for the dumpster, but throwing out your rollers doesn't mean you have to throw away the whole door. In contrast to that old worn out roller, this is an American Garage Door Supply replacement roller. Look at how smooth it rolls, how good it looks, and how well it's put together. This is definitely what you are going to want on your door. If you replace your old worn out rollers with these, not only is your door going to operate smoother, safer, and more reliably, you're also going to get the additional life that your door really has to offer. For over 30 years, American Garage Door Supply has been the nation's #1 source for garage door rollers and similar products. We offer hundreds of garage door replacement rollers that can be shipped the same day and delivered right to your door. We offer a number of design styles, tire diameters, and stem lengths ranging from standard rollers to highly specialized, high-performance ones like our Magnum series with a sealed bearing or bearingless car wash type roller as well. American Garage Door Supply's rollers fit standard 2-inch or 3-inch track and come in a variety of material constructions. Our designs include rollers that use standard steel materials all the way to specialty materials including rust-resistant stainless steel, highly durable plastics, special bearings, and many others. In fact, we offer almost all styles of garage door rollers to fit just about any national or specialty brand door and just about any application. Whether it needs to fit a 2-inch or 3-inch track or has a 10-ball bearing, sealed ball bearing, no bearing at all, short stem or long stem, American Garage Door Supply has the solution for you. Check out our website at americandoorsupply.com or visit our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks, and let our experience go to work for you.